all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover @after test in TestNG. So let's get started. So we will directly move to the code. Okay. So we have one test and second test, simple test we have in which class? In fixed deposit. Okay. Now in the second reoccurring deposit class, we have one test and second is after test. So this line should be printed at the last. So we have XML. Okay. Now see, reoccurring deposit and after test execution, fixed deposit and rate of interest. Okay. So rate of interest and fixed deposit, we will go first there. So it is executed first 1 2. Okay. So this is in this test. So in this test it should be executed last. So it is executed last. Okay. You got it? How it works. Okay. Reoccurring, if I move this to above and this to second, then how will be the output? Reoccurring and after test execution, and this is second time. Second test is there. That's simple. That is printed. So once the execution is completed, there is a requirement to remove the cookies, delete the process, close the connection, and after test a notification is used here. Okay. So if you have any question related to this video, please do comment. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, do like my video, do share. Thank you. Bye bye.